Well, hi guys, it's George from Cyprus Insight, and today we're back at this lovely St. Elias Resort. We are lucky enough to go and have a look around the room at this beautiful resort. There's the car park, loads and loads of free parking. There's even parking for a little scooter, look at this. Now I do believe this one's got its own private pool. There's quite a few down here with a private pool. Now I'm totally lost. Do I do it right? I do it right, don't I? There we are, just do it right. Lovely flowers, look at these, aren't they beautiful? Down the higgledy-piggledy steps, lots of higgledy-piggledy paths. There's a path there on the right, it goes all the way round. Some more rooms with their own private pool. Wow, look at the size of this one. Massive balcony or veranda. Beautiful. No, we're not going in this one. Oh, on the lawn. Nice lawns here, aren't they? Oh, squodgy lawn. I haven't been on the squodgy lawn for absolutely ages. So there it is up there, the little bungalow. I'm going to call it little bungalow because it's more than a room, isn't it, guys? I do presume it's more than a room. Right, we go up the higgledy-piggledy path, up the steps, and then we'll turn right. Now I'm going to go in 103, and we are not far away from the main pool. The main pool's up this slope. We'll go down the slope and down the steps. I have got a key. We've even got a front garden, look at this. Beautiful trees, conifers. 103. Let's go see what the rooms are like here. Oh, look at this. Isn't it wonderful? So it's a family suite. And there's two single beds here that could be made into couches, a lovely TV, and that's what I like about rooms, guys. You can sit on a couch or conveniently located chair and watch TV. You don't have to be in bed. A little welcoming gift there. There we are. So if you're checking in early, guys, look, you can have a few croissants. We've got tea and coffee making facility. Look, a proper machine. Isn't that lovely? Look, a proper machine, guys, and you got all the coffee stuff. You put it in there and go have a proper coffee. How about that? Beautiful, isn't it? And of course a microwave there. And if you're out and about and you've got some takeaway, you can always heat it up. What, should we go? Oh, look at that, it's even got a chest of drawers. How about that? Should we go around here and have a look around? Oh wow, look at the size of this bedroom. It's enormous. Beautiful bedroom, massive double bed, enormous double bed. Of course, we've got a dressing table here. We've got facilities, you can charge your phone. Hairdryer facilities, loads and loads of storage, and again we've got a big TV on the wall, so if you can't bother to get out of bed, guys, you've got the TV here. I do like those windows, they are beautiful, lovely colour windows. I was pointed out the windows before, haven't I, guys? Really nice windows. I like windows like that in my own house. It'd be nice, lots of air conditioning around, so it's lovely and cool. Let's go in here. Oh, it's a bathroom. Oh, look at this. Nice bathroom. Lovely tiles. So you can wallow in the bath, or we've got a shower and all the soaps and what have you. All the dispensers are here. All lovely stainless steel. Look at that. Really, really nice bathroom. Fluffy towels everywhere. Look at those fluffy towels. And of course a hook. Very, very important. A hook. More storage for your suitcases. Well, let's go and have a look outside, guys. There we are. There's some more fluffy towels. They're the beach towels or the swimming pool towels that you get. Umbrellas. And look at this infinity pool. Wow. Now that's your private pool, guys. If you want to go to the other pool, the main pool, you're more than welcome. And of course there's slides and everything down there in the restaurants. Look out for the video, guys. We are just doing the room today. There is a jacuzzi. There it is. So you've got not only got your pool, you've got a jacuzzi. There's the steps going down, and there's the bench within the swimming pool, the conveniently located bench right next to the jacuzzi. And then you can swim to the edge, right on the edge there, and then look at the view out of the gardens. You can just wallow in that lovely pool, couldn't you? Isn't it beautiful? And look at the views you get. There we are. You can see the whole Protaras, the beautiful St. Elias Church just straight ahead, and we're virtually level of it, just a little way up. Oh, you're putting it on. Oh, well done. Look at that. There goes the jacuzzi. Oh, I feel like jumping in. Oh, you've got a nice shower as well. Look at the massive shower. Look at that. You can even have a shower out here, couldn't you guys? You don't even have to go in the bathroom, it's so big. More squodgy sunbeds. Look at the size of these cushions, beautiful. Really squodgy. Sunbeds over there. Wonderful, really nice. So there you are, guys. There's the pool rooms. And we did see that pool and that particular room when we did the video last year, guys. But of course we couldn't get in that particular one, and now we can, so hope you enjoyed that room. Where are we going now? Should we go straight? Yeah, let's go straight, guys. Let's go straight round. Oh, smell that lavender. Beautiful gardens round here. Absolutely amazing. Down to Hickory slope. There's the massive jacuzzi that everyone can use. Oh, another slope. Very nice. In fact, I do believe we've mostly gone down conveniently located slopes up to now. So if you find the right path up to your room, guys, you can use slopes. You don't have to go up the steps, but you've got to go in a certain direction. We'll go underneath the pergola. There's the second swimming pool, the quieter pool. Conveniently located comfortable chairs out here. And then we'll make our way out. And as I said before, this is a video for just the room. Look out for the video we did a few weeks ago for the whole resort, guys, and those marvellous entertainers. I hope you enjoyed that little visit. Marvellous room, isn't it? Beautiful rooms. And that swimming pool. So don't forget to look out for the video, for the whole video for St. Elias Resort. I do like it up here, guys. It is wonderful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and if there's somewhere you'd like me to go, put it in the comments below.